Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's video, we're going to be using my Almond Extra Short Soft Gel Full Nail Covers. As always, these are available for purchase in my Etsy shop. And I'm just going in, sizing them out before we begin our design. So these are soft gel and they are not ABS plastic. So soft gel is just a better material. It helps blend and melt better with almost all products. If you use them with poly gel, regular gel, builder base, acrylic, you name it. And with this product, we're going to be going in with my solid nail tip glue gel. This is the newest product to my Etsy shop and I absolutely love it. It just makes the whole process of applying nails so much quicker. But I'm just going in and applying that to my nail. My nails are not prepped in this video and I don't show you prep, but if you want a tutorial on how to prep your nails so your nails last a long time, check out my description box. I'll leave a video to where I showed prep in the beginning. But yeah, as you can see, I sped this part of the video up, but it's super quick. I just go in, apply this to all my nails, and then this is a clear glue gel, so it literally only takes for like 45 seconds to cure. And also, if you're new to doing nails and you try this out and you put your nail in the lamp and it gets like really hot almost and it almost feels like burning, take your hand out and then reapply it back in. I've had some people comment that, so yeah, that's pretty common if you've never got like gel polish at a nail salon or anything before. And then I also do my thumbs separately. You always want to make sure you're doing your thumbs separately when doing your nails because since you're putting it in on an angle, it's not really getting a full cure like it should. So after we finish applying and curing those nails on, I'm going to go in now with a 80/80 grit nail file. This is available for purchase on Amazon and I'm just going in and shaping my nails. These are all pre-shaped for you, and that's really the beauty of soft gel full nail covers. So the shaping is pretty much done. This process takes seconds, if that. But I'm just going in and just fixing some, maybe if I got a little bit of some of that nail glue gel on the outsides of it, just kind of taking that away and making the tip how I like it. If you like it more curved or if you like it more sharp. For our builder base, I'm going in with this polish. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but it is available for purchase off Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave the link to it down below. It comes in a pack of 5, and it's like really beautiful gel polishes or builder base polishes. Definitely recommend giving them a try because they're just so easy to use. And all I'm doing is going in and doing sort of like a structured gel manicure. As you can see, I'm not applying this as if it were a regular gel polish. I'm kind of structuring it but also kind of doing it in a thinner layer because I do go in with 2 coats of this so I can build up the color. And that's the beauty of builder base. If you want a more like translucent look, you can go for that. But if you want a more full coverage look, then you can build layers. But yeah, now I'm just going in with a liner brush and I'm just applying some more of that gel polish to the outsides of my nails just because you can't really hit them too well when you're doing a structured manicure. So you want to make sure that you're going in with a liner brush to just really perfect the outsides of your nails. These brushes are also available for purchase on Amazon as well, and I'll be sure to have these linked down below as well. It's really hard to find a really good liner brush, and this one just works really good for me. So I got this new mineral gel polish, and I actually got this off of AliExpress. I do have an AliExpress haul coming to my channel soon, and this will be included in it, but I just could not wait to use it. It kind of gives like a cracked seashell effect almost, but I absolutely love this polish. I can't wait to do so many more nail looks with it. But I kind of did the same method and just went in with this almost as if it were a structured polish. But yeah, as you can see, it comes in so many different colors. It's absolutely beautiful. I did do 2 coats of this color as well. So here's what the nails are looking like. We're going to go in and do our marble design, and I'm going to be using this white polish by A-Press. If I'm saying that wrong, somebody please correct me in the comments because I have no clue how to say that. But I'm also going to go in with this blooming gel to accomplish that marble look. And I just go in with a thin coated this blooming gel. This is Mia's Secret, and it's available for purchase on Amazon as well. This one is one of the best blooming gels I've came across, so I do recommend it. It's pretty good. Just going in now with that same liner brush and just doing random strokes of white, some thinner, some thicker, and then I go in with a clean liner brush and kind of just play with it, swirl it around to give it a really nice marble effect. So as you can see, it's looking a little bit crazy here, but just trust the process. So final step is cuticle oil. I forgot to mention that you do want to top off your nails. So top off your nails with a no wipe gel polish and then do cuticle oil. But here's the final results. I also did go in with some gold foil on my marble nails as well. My camera died, so I wasn't able to show those last 2 parts. But here's what the nails are looking like. Super cute. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be sure to have all the links to everything down below. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!